In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to send data from Framer to Google Sheets. The process may seem complex if you're new to it, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes easy and quick. To start this procedure, we will need a Make.com or Zapier account. Please go ahead and create a new account, or if you already have one, simply sign in. This is the platform where the magic happens. It will help connect Framer with Google Sheets, enabling smooth data transfer. Once you're logged into your account, the next move is to create a new scenario. A scenario, in this case, is akin to a project. You need a trigger for this project, something to initiate the action sequence. And your ideal trigger app here would be webhooks. Go ahead and select it, and then pick the custom webhook trigger. Having done that, the triggered scenario will provide a unique webhook URL. Carefully copy this URL because you'll need it in the subsequent stages of interfacing your Framer form. The next part is the creation of a Google Sheets action. This ties into the process by dictating the action that the data pulled from Framer will take. Add a new module to your created scenario and choose Google Sheets. Here you'll connect your Google account and select an action. You want the data to be added as a row, so select the Add a Row action. It's time to set up the Google Sheet that will receive this data. You will need to specify the exact spreadsheet and worksheet you want the data to land in. Don't worry about the columns. Make will intuitively detect the columns of your sheet once it is linked. So, how do we ensure the data fits well into the appropriate columns? This is where data mapping comes in. Each of the columns in your Google Sheet corresponds to specific types of data from the webhook trigger. You have to manually map them. Suppose, for example, you have an email column in your Google Sheet. You need to map this column to the corresponding email field in your webhook. We are almost done. The next move is to integrate the webhook in Framer. Flip open your Framer project and select the form component. Instead of choosing Google Sheets as the data destination, choose Webhook. This is where your previously copied URL comes into play. Paste the webhook URL into the webhook field in Framer. Finally, it's time to let the sparks fly. Publish your site. Now, every time your form is submitted, the data will follow this constructed pipeline. Each submission triggers the webhook to pull the data, send it to Make, which then promptly adds a new row to your connected Google Sheet. Sit back and marvel as your Framer data seamlessly populates your Google Sheet.